Leli komiti lesikhashana eliqokelwe ukuphenya ngezinsolo zikaMkhwanazi lizogxila kakhulu kuNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu, kanti-ke uMchunu uzoqhubeka abe yilungu lePhalamende nakuba uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa emnike ikhefu.
Important, we will zoom in on the closing or the alleged disbanding of the political killing task team. We will specifically look into political interference in operational matters of the South African Police Service, matter regarding the over 120 dockets that were allegedly moved through political instruction by the Deputy National Commissioner.
Nakuba kukhona ikhomishana eqokwe uMengameli ephenya ngalezi zinsolo, kodwa iPhalamende lithi angeke likwazi ukungenzi lutho ngalokhu.
So I think Parliament is best positioned of everything, of all the different bodies. The reason I say this is because any commission's outcome, there's no legal mandate that they have to enforce the outcomes or the recommendations of that commission.
Ikhomishana eqokwe uMengameli izogxila ebudlelwaneni uMchunu anabo noBrown Mokgotsi, kanti iPhalamende lifuna ukuthola ukuthi ingabe bukhona yini ubudlelwano obunenkohlakalo kulaba, nokuthi ingabe kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi uMchunu akanabudlelwane noMkgotsi.
I think there are many moving parts that need to be considered. Obviously, the commission that was announced by the President is something that we recognize, and obviously we don't want to duplicate anything that is done there. We've made sure, though, that in terms of how Parliament is positioned, we can fulfill our constitutional mandate.
Isicwawu sekhomishana sizobanjelwa edlangalaleni yize kunokukhathazeka ngokuthi imininingwane ebucayi izosingathwa kanjani. Kodwa-ke nakuba kunjalo, amalungu ePhalamende asamile ekutheni iPhalamende alikwazi ukuhlala lingenzi lutho ekubeni ezinye izinhlaka ziphenya.